In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove password from PDF using PDFfiller. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab inside PDFfiller, and then you want to go to Add New top left, and from here you want to upload your document. So I have one which is password protected here under my download, so I'm going to just type in password, which is the name of it. There we go. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on Open. Now, this is going to start uploading your file. Now, depending on your internet speed, it's going to be quick or slow. For me, it's quite slow. And there we go. As you can see, it's now over here. So there we have the password. If I try to open this, as you can see, it says this document is protected. Now it says the author has enabled password protection. And of course, first you'll have to know the password to be able to do that. So I'm just going to type in the password over here, click on submit. It's going to load for a few seconds for it to unlock the document. And there we go. It's going to start loading. And whenever it's done loading, just like that, as you can see, of course, PDF is now available for us to edit, view, modify, whatever you want to do here. And to remove the password, we've basically done that already. You simply want to save a new copy. So you can just press the Control S on your keyboard and it's going to start working on that. And as you can see here, it's going to basically kind of refresh over here. And if I try to go and open it again like this, you'll see that it no longer has a password. Okay, so let me open it like that. There we go, it's loading right now. And of course, you could save with the save button up top as well. It's completely up to you. I just prefer using keyboard shortcuts. And then if I, for example, now download this document to my downloads folder again, I'll show you that it's not actually password protected anymore. There we go, it's saved. And if I open it like that, as you can see, it didn't ask for a password. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.